In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to add or remove managers of your YouTube channel. Consider liking and subscribe to my channel. Let's do this if you're ready. To do this, we're going to use the web version of YouTube Studio because it will not work on the Studio app. Once in the YouTube Studio, locate Settings at the bottom left corner. Once opened, select Permissions. Tap on Invite at the top right corner. Add the email address of the individual you want to make a manager of your channel. Go down to the box below, tap on it, and select the kind of access you want to give that individual. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll select Manager. That is the first option. Tap on Done. The status will show pending until the individual accepts through a link sent to his or her email. To remove managers is simple and straightforward. Just tap on the X sign beside the name of the individual you added. Tap on Remove. Select Done, and you've been able to add or remove a manager of your YouTube channel with ease. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.